He is not going to allow China to continue to source and distribute deadly fentanyl into our country. That was the reason for this tariff. It was a retaliatory tariff on China for the last 4 years of their unprecedented distribution of fentanyl into our nation's borders.
自2025年2月10号起，对原产于美国的部分进口商品加征关税。其中，对煤炭、液化天然气加征15%关税；对原油、农业机械、大排量汽车、皮卡加征10%关税；